You know where we were a year ago tonight?
Yes, we went to a horrible concert, and then we went out for seafood where you got food poisoning from a bad clam.
It was the greatest night of my life.
Thank you. I'm sorry I didn't get you anything. I've just been so busy getting ready for the Seder.
You know, all I really care about is that we spend our anniversary together.
Chris, I'm under enough pressure as it is.
You know what I wish?
What?
You really want to know what I wish?
What?
I wish we could run off to some tropical island and just be together and live off of coconuts and sea anemones.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Leave work?
Leave work.
Leave the Kellogg's account?
Okay. Here's another idea. Just tell your parents about us. Say, parents, Chris and I love each other, and we're going to spend the rest of our lives together. If you don't like it, you can lump it, or something. I can have Bruce work on the copy for me.
Chris, you're pressuring me. Don't pressure me. You have to go now.
I really hate this.
I know. I will call you later, okay?
Yeah, sure. My stand-in is here, only I'm left out in the cold, and my stand-in gets to do all the fun bits.
This is not fun. Hi, how are you, Miss?
Hi. Oh, Chris, hi. Talk to you later.
I will call you tomorrow.
Right. Good yontif.
Good Yontif. Well, what is that?
It's like Happy Holidays. You might